Imagine waking up one morning and the sun is gone. No sunrise, no warmth, just an endless night. At first, you might think it's just an eclipse, but soon you'd realize this is something much, much worse. What would happen to Earth if the sun suddenly disappeared? And more importantly, how long could we survive? For the first 8 minutes, everything would seem normal. That's because light and gravity take exactly 8 minutes to travel from the sun to Earth. So for those few moments, the world would continue as if nothing happened. The birds would still chirp, the waves would still crash on the shore, people would go about their day, completely unaware that the most important object in our solar system had just vanished. And then, it happens. The sun's last rays of light reach Earth, and then total darkness. No more blue sky, no more golden sunsets, just a pitch-black void stretching infinitely in all directions. Even the moon disappears, because without the sun's light, we can't see it. The planets? Gone. The only visible things left in the sky are distant stars, but even they won't be enough to save us. But darkness isn't our biggest problem. The real issue? Gravity. The sun's gravity keeps Earth in orbit. Without it, Earth would stop moving in its usual path and start drifting aimlessly through space, like a lost ship in the ocean. We wouldn't notice it right away, but over time, Earth would be on a one-way trip to nowhere. Then the temperatures would start to drop. Fast. Within 24 hours, the global average temperature would drop to freezing, 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. In just 1 week, it would be below minus 18 degrees Celsius, minus 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit. And after a year, the surface of Earth would be a frozen wasteland, with temperatures plunging to minus 73 degrees Celsius or minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. The oceans? They'd start freezing from the top, forming thick sheets of ice. But the deeper parts would stay liquid for a while, meaning life in the deepest parts of the ocean might be the last to go extinct. So what about us? Could humanity survive? Well, not for long. Without sunlight, plants would die within weeks. Without plants, the entire food chain would collapse. Some humans might manage to survive underground, using geothermal heat as an energy source, but it wouldn't last forever. In the end, the Earth would become a frozen, lifeless rock, endlessly floating through the void of space. Luckily, this is just a thought experiment. The sun isn't going anywhere for at least another 5 billion years. But this makes you wonder, what if something else in space suddenly changed? What if Earth got knocked out of orbit? Or what if we had to find a new sun on another planet?